Hello. So this time I came to visit the gallery of Statue of Unity. So let's explore with me the Statue of Unity gallery. So this is the view of gallery of Statue of Unity. So I am going inside the Statue of Unity gallery. So see this. So see this. This is the gallery, and really this gallery is also so good. And really this is a very unique gallery also. Everything is, and see, this is the head of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and how it is looking. Really it is a very great scene and view of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in this gallery. So let's see the head of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gallery. How it is looking so amazing. Sorry, sir. It is looking so amazing. So let's see, this is the head of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and lots of persons who are also going and taking the photography and picture from their handset. So really this is very unique, and there are so many things. And in this gallery there is also one statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also. So let's see, I am going here to see the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, how it is looking. So let's see. This is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue also in this gallery. See the view of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gallery. Really it is looking so amazing. And even you know very well that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Home Minister of India, as well as the first Deputy CM of Deputy Prime Minister of India. So see, and this one again I am going to explore in this side. So this is the view. This gallery is also so big gallery, and really it is amazing. And cleaning is always going here, and it is a very neat and clean gallery. So let's see, this is also one unique thing is there regarding our animals like tendua. Everything is there, leopard, commonly butterfly, yes, and many more things. So I'm going to explore inside. So let's see, this is inside. Like this is written here about the Sulpaneswar Wildlife Sanctuary, Wildlife Sanctuary. Mahua flower, Awabinga, purple sunbird, Sikra, and like that many more. Really it is looking very good. And there are some also flame of the forest, bamboo tree. And this is a one boy, see. And this is also very unique. It is look like a theater. We can see inside this there is a theater.
પુષ્કરાના ટોળાને નિયંત્રિત અને શાંત કરવા તેમજ શરણાર્થીઓ માટે અન્ન, આશ્રય અને સુરક્ષિત પરિવહનની વ્યવસ્થા કરવી. બીજો પ્રકાર 550થી વધુ રજવાડી રાજ્યોનો સંયુક્ત ભારતમાં વિલય થાય એ બાબત સુનિશ્ચિત કરવી. તેમની સંકલ્પ શક્તિ અને દૂરદર્શિતાના ઉપયોગ દ્વારા તેમણે રજવાડાઓને ભારતીય શાસન સાથે જોડાવા માટે મનાવી દીધા. ભારત માતાની સુરક્ષા અને એકીકરણ દ્વારા 4 વર્ષ સુધી એકતા સુનિશ્ચિત કરી. જે પોતાના દેશ માટે તેમનો સૌથી મોટો વારસો અને ભેટ. મજબૂત ઢાંચો તૈયાર કરવાની તેમની દૂરદર્શિતા અને ઝુંબેશ સાથે તેમણે ભારતીય બંધારણની રૂપરેખા તૈયાર કરવામાં ખૂબ જ યોગદાન આપ્યું. અસરકારક પદ્ધતિઓ અને સેવાઓની શક્તિને સારી રીતે સમજતા હોવાથી તેમણે ભારતીય વહીવટી સેવાઓ અને ભારતીય પોલીસ સેવાનું નિર્માણ કરી તેનું
how
માળખા
the
રચ્યું.
struggle was and how
વર્ષ
this is showing the
1950
symbol of Sardar
સરદાર
Vallabhbhai
પટેલે
Patel
તેમનો અંતિમ
in this
શ્વાસ લીધો
movie.
અને આ દેશ તેમના સરદાર
The death
હોવાથી
journey of
શોકમાં
Sardar
ડૂબી
Vallabhbhai
ગયો.
Patel last time.
વિવિધ
Really
પ્રકારની
listen every
સંસ્કૃતિઓ,
sentence very
સમુદાયો,
well. I'm going
ભૂમિઓ
to play
અને ભાષાઓ હોવા છતાં આપણા દેશની એકતાના
भारत माँ को सुरक्षित और एकीकृत किया. ये उनकी देश के लिए महानतम विरासत और उपहार थी. राष्ट्र के लिए एक सशक्त नींव बनाने के अपने विचार और
So really, and there is something indicated about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was known for his decisive ways which result in affirmative action in the dire political situation. The nation owes its political unity to his foresight and leadership. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel salute the police parade. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the Maharaja of Jaipur. With his attentions and his proud all princely state into United India's fold. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was with Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji Gohil of Bhavnagar in Bombay on 18 January 1948. Gandhi Ji, along with Sardar Patel, accompanied by Sardar Dr. Maniben. The two leaders spread a memorable Guru Shishya. So this is the view of Sardar Patel. And let's see. The son of the soil, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And this is a library. This is a march towards freedom with Sardar Patel. So let's see. And this is the map of India. This is the map of India before and after partition in 1947, along with all over Pakistan. So in the Muslim demands for Pakistan as Muslim. So this is the red side area regarding Muslim want separate country state. And in Bengal side along with Arunachal, Assam also. And this is the orange line which is known to be as a British India. And these are the all are native states. And this is after separation of India. So let's see and explore together with me. And there is also something, they are showing something. And uniting India. This is the image of uniting India. And this is the oldest newspaper. India Troops, India Hindustans, in Gujarati, Hindi, English, Assamese cases to India, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, News, Lakshmi Electric News, Kashmir 200 something, plan to be accused at conference, Security Council It just
With
till
his
Tuesday.
characteristic foresight,
Sardar Patel
Sardar
reaching
Patel
Patna today.
ordered a new road to be built. His triumph is destined. Thus, the existing
So these are the oldest newspaper.
situated continuously. How can
India-Pakistan conflict
cut off from the main body?
and Hyderabad were situated in
The
India's navy.
indecisiveness of the Nizam brought him to Sardar
All are
Patel
regarding the
army of invasion
utility of
before
India and
reaching
Pakistan.
Srinagar.
So these are the oldest things. So let's see. And really this is a very good gadget. So thank you so much again. I hope you all are enjoyed with me after looking the gallery of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Museum in a Statue of Unity. So thank you so much for that, and let's see and explore, and I hope you like my all over video together with me. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel, okay, if you like. So thank you so much. We will see you again. Now for bye bye. Thank you. So this is the bus and auto stand, and I am returning from here to Ekta Nagar station, which is so close from here. So let's see the view of this bus stand, and this is a female auto driven by only female. Female is driver of this auto. So really this is very good. And this is the station. I just came to a station, so let's see the view of this station. And really this station is also so neat and clean, and this station name is Ekta Nagar, which is so close to Vadodara. So I will take my train from Ekta Nagar to Vadodara at 9:30 p.m. So I am waiting. So thank you so much again.